Report writing on Republic Day celebration in school. Date: Republic Day is a momentous occasion that holds a special place in the hearts of every Indian citizen. It commemorates the day when the Constitution of India came into effect on 26 January 1950, marking the country's transition to a democratic republic. To celebrate this historic day, our school organized a grand Republic Day celebration filled with patriotic fervor and enthusiasm. The event commenced with the hoisting of the national flag by the chief guest, followed by the singing of the national anthem. The sight of the tricolour fluttering high in the sky filled everyone with a sense of pride and unity. The principal then delivered an inspiring speech, emphasizing the significance of the day and the values enshrined in our Constitution. A series of cultural programs were organized to showcase the rich cultural heritage of our diverse nation. Students from different classes participated in various activities, including patriotic songs, dances, and skits. The performances were a testament to the talent and creativity of our students, and they beautifully depicted the spirit of unity in diversity that defines our great nation. The highlight of the celebration was a parade led by the school band. Students dressed in colorful traditional attire, representing different states of India, marched with pride and precision. The parade was a visual delight, showcasing the cultural diversity and unity of our country. The rhythmic beats of the band created an aura of patriotism, filling the air with a sense of national pride. In addition to the cultural programs, a speech competition was held to provide students with a platform to express their thoughts on the importance of the Constitution and the rights and responsibilities of citizens. The participants delivered thought-provoking speeches, highlighting the democratic principles and the role of every individual in upholding them. The celebration also included a tableau display, where students created artistic representations of the different states of India, showcasing their unique culture, traditions, and achievements. It was a wonderful opportunity for students to learn about the diversity that exists within our country and appreciate the beauty of our shared heritage. To further deepen our understanding of the Constitution, the Social Science Department organized an exhibition on the making of the Constitution. It featured informative displays, interactive sessions, and audiovisual presentations, providing insights into the drafting process and the vision of our founding fathers. The exhibition served as a reminder of the values and principles that form the backbone of our nation. The Republic Day celebration was not just limited to the students, it also involved the active participation of teachers, staff, and parents. Their presence and support added to the festive atmosphere, creating a strong sense of community and togetherness. The celebration concluded with the distribution of prizes and certificates to the winners of various competitions. It was a moment of joy and pride for the deserving students who had put in tremendous effort to excel in their respective events. The Republic Day celebration in our school served as a powerful reminder of the importance of our Constitution and the values it upholds. It instilled a sense of patriotism, unity, and respect for our nation among the students. It was a day filled with inspiration and pride, reminding us all of the rights and responsibilities we hold as citizens of India. Reported by Biplab. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more video like this.